This is just the hits for eBay break number 170, NBA Mixer. We got Ja Morant, Desmond Bane, Anthony Edwards, couple of those, Peyton Pritchard, Wiseman, Maxey, LeBron James, Obi Toppin. We did hit a Jenny. Look at that. We did hit a Jenny. Klay Thompson, Denny Avdija, Josh Giddey. We did get our bonus pack. Hit a nice Josh Giddey. Anthony Davis, Okongwu, LeBron James, James Harden, Tyrese Halliburton, Anthony Davis, R.J. Barrett, courtside, Ja Morant, cracked ice, very nice. Onyeka Okongwu, Kawhi Leonard, C.J. Ellaby, very nice. Purple Labrizi, Patrick Williams, R.J. Hampton going out to Orlando on the silver. James Wiseman, Tyrese on the courtside. LaMelo Ball. We did get an auto. Nice silver Kendrick Nunn. Wiseman, LaMelo. Another LaMelo. Tyrell Terry. Obi Toppin. Nico Mannion, Luka Doncic, Woodard, LeBron James, Campazzo, and Jason. Nice hits. Thank you guys for the rip. Appreciate you guys. And we'll see you guys in the next one.